Hello everyone, welcome to another video tutorial brought to you by Accounted in collaboration with CRY, Child Rights and You. The topic of today's tutorial is navigating income tax website. On 7 June 2021, Central Board of Direct Taxes launched a new income tax e-filing portal. The new portal www.incometax.gov.in has replaced the existing e-filing portal www.incometaxindiaefiling.gov.in. When you visit this portal, you will be welcomed by this page. Now let us log in into an account and understand the options available to us. To log in, please select Login option available on the top right hand side. On the login page, please enter either your PAN or Aadhaar and click on Continue. Confirm your secure access message and enter the password for your e-filing account. Now click on Continue. You will be greeted by this dashboard which shows the status of current assessment year filing, that is AY 21-22. We can see the return was filed successfully on 8th of December 2021. The return was verified on 13 December 2021 and the return is currently under processing. The status will be updated as soon as the processing is complete. The assessee has an option of filing revised return. You can also view the details of tax deposited, recently filed returns and recently filed forms. For the purpose of this video, we will be focusing on second tab, which is the e-file tab, and fifth tab, which is the pending actions tab. Under e-file, we can file income tax returns or income tax forms. We can also view already filed income tax returns and income tax forms. To file income tax return, go to e-file, income tax returns, file income tax return. Select the assessment year from the drop-down menu. We are going to select current assessment year. Select the mode of filing. I am going to select online. Now if I click on continue, I will be asked to fill the return with the relevant details. To view the already filed income tax return, go to e-file, income tax returns, view file returns. Here, you will be able to see all the returns you have filed starting from assessment year 2013-14. You will be able to view details of return filed by clicking on View Details. You also have an option of downloading the form, downloading the receipt, and downloading the JSON file. Now to file income tax forms, we go to e-file, income tax forms, and file income tax forms. Since the video will be relevant for charitable or religious trusts or institutions, we will be taking a look at forms like 9A, 10, 10A or 10B. We can view these forms by clicking on persons not dependent on any source of income. Let us search for the forms. Form 9A is for accumulation of unspent balance for up to 1 year and can be filed by clicking on File Now option. Let us search for Form 10, 10A and 10B. Form 10 is for accumulation of unspent balance up to 5 years. 10A is for revalidation of 12A approval in case of change of objects. And Form 10B is an audit report in case of charitable or religious trusts or institutions whose taxable income exceeds 2.5 lakhs. Now to view the already filed income tax forms, we go to e-file, income tax forms and view filed forms. Here you can view the list of that you have filed till date and can also download them for your record. Since this assessee has not filed any forms, we are not able to view any forms. Now to check any demand notices raised or notices served on the assessee, we go to pending actions and work list tab. We can see that there is no item in the work list which requires our action or is available for our information. Now to check any demand notices that we may have received, we go to pending action, response to outstanding demand. We can clearly see that a demand notice has been served on assessee. Now the assessee can view the interest computation by clicking on view interest computation. It can see the current status, the date of service of notice and the date of demand raised. It also mentions the section under which the demand was raised, who has the rectification rights, and the mode of service, which could be email or post or both. The assessee has an option of paying the demand now, downloading the demand notice, or submitting the response stating whether it agrees to the demand or disagrees with the demand. Now, in case any notice which has been served on the assessee, it will be available for us to see under Pending Actions Eproceedings tab. Since no e-proceedings was initiated on this assessee, we cannot see any records. If a proceeding was initiated, we will be able to view these under here. Thank you for watching this video. In case of any queries, please send us an email on query@accounted.net. In case you would like to share feedback, please send us an email on info@accounted.net. In case you would like to subscribe to Accounted Capsules and Accounted Publications, please visit www.accounted.net. You can also follow us on Twitter @Accounted for faster updates. We hope you enjoyed this short tutorial and will see you soon in our next video. Till then, take care and remain accountable.